Hi, I'm Gareth Evans from Vitamix and I'm here to show you our Vitamix A2300. It comes with a 64-ounce container, manual speed dial to give you complete control over your blend, pulse function for chopping and self-detect technology. The A2300 is an incredibly powerful machine. That power means you can blend the smoothest smoothies, heat to make hot soups and sauces in minutes, and you can also turn roasted almonds into almond butter. I'm going to show you how. Look at this. Thick, creamy, delicious. You can make homemade nut butter with your Vitamix, no added oil, salt, preservatives, just whole foods, amazing taste, made in a machine, trusted by coffee shops and smoothie bars worldwide that will last you for years to come.
This is the NutriBullet Pro, the nutrient extracting powerhouse. Just load your ingredients into the cup, attach the NutriBullet extractor blade, place it onto the power base, and in an instant, the NutriBullet Pro breaks down and opens up the stems, seeds, and skins, giving you optimum nutrition in every smoothie. Then, just give it a quick rinse and you're ready to go again in seconds. The NutriBullet Pro's powerful 900-watt motor, combined with cyclonic action, forces everything into the extractor blade, breaking down even the toughest ingredients, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet Pro comes with the NutriBullet extractor blade, 2 colossal 32-ounce cups, and 2 flip-top to-go lids. So, whether you're looking to use nutrition to enhance your performance, give you that added boost in recovery, or just want to improve your overall health, transforming your life starts here. NutriBullet Pro.